Healiant has just released the first and only infection prevention and COVID safety training and certification program designed exclusively for the medical sales representative. Hello, my name is Josh Hutchin, and I'm one of the co founders here at Healiant. I have the privilege of introducing this amazing program to you today, which was designed to do four things. First, it was designed to reinforce what you already know and increase your understanding of infection prevention, infection control, and specifically the COVID-19 virus. It will help you better understand how to more successfully engage with your clinical customers, both now and well into the future, long after the concerns of COVID-19 have passed. It will open doors where access has been restricted and solidify your presence in those facilities where you currently have great access. And lastly, and ultimately, it will prepare you for the infection prevention and COVID safe certification exam, which publicly and formally validates your understanding of the topics covered in the program and serves as a fantastic talking point with your clinical customers who are always looking for safe and meaningful ways to re-engage with the product partners they trust for product education and support to help them deliver the very best patient outcomes possible. This game-changing program incorporates a wealth of very useful information on COVID-19, but goes well beyond the current crisis to prepare you for what we expect will be a sustained and maybe even an increased level of sensitivity around infection prevention and control over the coming years. In fact, as we enter this new season of change, we are starting to hear large volumes of vendor access policy trend chatter about possible mandates requiring infection prevention training as part of the annual vendor credentialing process for medical sales representatives. We see this requirement as an inevitability. This training puts you on the path that gets you out ahead and keeps you ahead of these proposed new mandates, in addition to telling the world that your organization is serious about keeping their employees, their customers, and their patients safe. Savvy professionals like you understand the gravity of the situation we're in and appreciate that we must learn and evolve from this experience. It is up to us to become more knowledgeable on how infections are transmitted. We must anticipate the needs of our customers and do our parts to ensure everyone's safety. As I'm sure you will agree, truly consultative medical sales professionals play a critical role in the delivery of healthcare. When access is restricted, necessary product education does not occur. Without product education and the confidence that comes with it, healthcare providers often downgrade to inferior products because they're more comfortable with them, just as we would. Bottom line, patients suffer when this happens. We must break this cycle by restoring access and increasing the essentiality of the medical sales rep. Once trained and certified, you will be more confident, more knowledgeable, more empathetic, and most of all, more safe for the customers, the patients, and the residents that they serve. We hope that you will consider learning more about this amazing program. You can find out more by filling out the form above or below at the bottom of the page.